Hi everyone, welcome back. In this episode, we're looking at the CompTIA A+ printer and multifunction device acronyms, the foundation of IT hardware knowledge. I'll give you easy to understand definition and you'll be able to see from the bottom of the slide to which A+ exam this acronym applies. Let's get started. ADF, Automatic Document Feeder. This handy component is found in scanners and multifunction printers. And it does exactly what it sounds like. It automatically feeds one page at a time into a machine instead of placing each page manually on the glass. The ADF lets you scan, copy, or fax multiple pages in one go, saving you time and effort. Perfect for bulk jobs, ADFs are essential in office and high volume environments. MFD, multi-function device. Now an MFD is an all-in-one machine that combines several functions: printing, scanning, copying, and sometimes faxing, all in one device. They're especially useful in offices or home environments where space and efficiency matters. MFP, multifunction printer. MFP is a printer that does more than just print. It often includes scanning, copying, and sometimes faxing. You see MFPs used in both homes and office, helping users save space and money by combining multiple devices in one. OCR, Optical Character Recognition. OCR is a technology that allows your scanner or printer to read text from images or scanned documents, convert it into editable, searchable text, scan a printed form, and OCR can extract names, numbers, and other data from it. Super handy for digital archiving and data processing. PCL, Printer Command Language. This is a standard language developed by HP that allows your computer to communicate effectively with printers. PCL tells the printer exactly how to render text, graphics, and page layout, making sure what you see on the screen is what prints on paper. Because it's widely supported across printer models, it makes managing multiple printers in an office much easier. That wraps up our printer and multifunction device acronym walkthrough for the CompTIA A+ exam. These terms are foundational for IT support roles. Make sure you review them well. Like, subscribe, stay tuned to our next video about storage acronyms.